Hi, my name is Judith Denton, and I'm the founder and CEO at the Transformed You, where we provide intervention and support mentoring programs to look after children and care leavers who have behavioural, emotional and social difficulties hindering their success. And so our programs are designed to improve their outcomes and their life chances. From being an entrepreneur since 2015, I decided to join the Self Made Mastermind mentoring program with Bianca and Byron Cole because I wanted to check for any gaps in the business process of the Transformed You. And then having identified any gaps, I then wanted to strategize a way forward. Now, there are many things I can say that I've learned whilst being on the program, but there's one thing that I will take away that stood out for me whilst being on that program. And that is I learned to develop a personalized elevator pitch that would capture the attention of my potential clients and then secure me a meeting so that I was able to discuss with them how the Transformed You is able to meet their outcomes and then secure a contract. And you know what? I was able to see this become a reality as doors began to open for me with various local authorities. So would I recommend the Self Made Mastermind mentoring program to you? Yes, I would. If you're an entrepreneur in need of a mentor who can guide you with their business experience, and you want to be in a room of like-minded entrepreneurs, and you're serious about moving your business forward, then yes, the Self Made Mastermind mentoring program with Bianca and Byron Cole is for you.